if you close your eyes.
Hey guys, I'm Bobby.
I'm Megan.
And we're here at Mac-U-Lent Auto Detailing Company with my buddy Shawnee Mac. Sean, tell them what you do here.
Well, basically what I do here is full interior, exterior details of automotives, boats, trucks, cars, vans, things like that. Everything from interior, steam cleaning, steam extraction, paint restoration, paint fix-ups, polishes and waxes.
So what are we going to be doing today?
Well, I think today what we're going to have you do is take one of these wonderfully not so fairly clean cars. We're going to see how good we can get the car to look.
All right, well we need to find a dirty car.
Yeah.
I think I saw one come smoking and pulling up here earlier.
Guys, that car looks beat up.
Wait. That's Ashlyn.
That is Ashlyn.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you doing today?
What can I help you with today?
My car's a mess.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, you came to the right place. What were you looking at getting done today?
Just some interior detailing.
Some interior detailing? Fantastic. We can go ahead and take care of that for you.
What are we gonna do first?
Well, for what we'll do first, we'll start with the basics. We'll go through and pick up all the heavy stuff, garbage, paper, and we'll do our best to make it look as good as we can.
Let's do this.
Cool. Pro tip number 1. You want to empty the car out before you do anything else. Ready, Bobby?
Ready.
That looks important.
I'm so sorry. That looks nice.
Pro tip number 2. Don't litter.
Make sure you use a proper receptacle.
Take care of Mother Nature.
Be in or out?
Pro tip number 3. Sometimes you find treasure.
I'll take it as a tip.
Don't spend it all in one space.
Best ice cream in town.
Can I drink you some food?
Oh. Don't mind if I do.
Thank you, brother.
No. Thank you. Next up is vacuum time. Guys, we gotta get that dirt out before we shampoo.
Wow, Bobby, you're so good at vacuuming.
Wow. I didn't know I had it in me. Megan, you're up. What do we got there, Sean?
Right here, this is a foaming fabric cleaner. Just a solution in water. Well, we'll go ahead and pre-treat some of the stains. We'll spray it down, do a little scrubbing by hand, see what comes up. Just gonna go ahead and take a few minutes to wait here. What we have here is just a standard high temperature steamer.
Is that ready?
About ready. Just a pre-warning when you guys use this. This is extremely hot. Do not let it hit your hands. It's at 220 degrees, it will blister.
Danger, danger, Will Robinson.
Danger, Will Robinson. Danger. No, Will Robinson. Danger.
Danger, Will Robinson.
Just from filling in the carpet, you can see there's been a few things spilled down in it, and it's pretty stiff, pretty bad. So we're going to try with the steam clean first. That's going to be our best option. After that, we will try the carpet extractor. Then after that, if that still doesn't work, then we're just going to go with old-fashioned scrub brush and elbow grease.
Is there a safety on this thing?
Yeah, don't point it at someone.
good as it's gonna get. Your turn, Megan. Megan's a very hard worker.
Keep it down, try not to burn them. Just go ahead and pull the trigger and scrub away. Keep your hands away from that steam.
Clean the car, work.
Elbow grease time. Sir, just pump it up, put some pressure to it. You're just gonna lightly spray it.
Okay.
Just on the material. Choose your weapon.
Yeah, typically the driver's side, what you guys don't know at home is that the driver's side is more often than not a lot dirtier than the passenger side because, you know, the driver's always spilling stuff on their side. So it gets down on the driver's side. I did pull it up pretty nice. Now what are you thinking?
No, hit over the extractor.
That's this little baby here?
That's this little baby here.
I've never watered a car before. I'm wishing for sweet Ashland's car to be clean today.
Okay, next phase.
Pull the trigger, scrub the floor, suck it up.
All right.
Got that?
How do you
Say
suck
with
it
me.
up?
Pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger.
Scrub the floor.
Scrub the floor.
Suck it up.
Pull the trigger. Scrub the floor. Suck it up.
Butt shot.
As you saw before, it was pretty messy. The driver's side had some spills and things that were down the side, and but I think you both did a good job. That's a tough one to call. They both look great, but I think Bobby, with yours, with that bad spill in it, pulling all that up, having to do the extra scrubbing, grinding, and pulling stuff up, I would say. But you know, guys, I think you both did a great job. So that's a tough one to call. I think both of them are winning.
Tie.
It's a tie, I'll take it, because that was hard.
Hire us.
That was hard. Hire
No,
us.
actually, hire him. He's the expert.
They can work for me anytime.
Mac-U-Lent carpet cleaning. All of his information will be linked in the description box below. So, guys, you know what to do next,
Yeah.
right?
Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button.
Share it with your friends.
Ashlyn, how do you like your car? It's like a brand new car. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, are you sure that was the right car? Guys, hey, that's not the right car. You guys like what you saw today on You Think It's Easy? Click and like the subscribe button. Click the previous button to see more. Do it now. You know you want to. Get it done or I'm coming to your house.